If you love discovering smart kitchen products that actually make cooking easier, you're going to love today's list. From powerful blenders and electric kettles to clever cooking tools and must-have kitchen gadgets, these 19 Amazon kitchen finds are seriously worth checking out. So let's get started with number 1. Number 1 is the Fix-Shot Kitchen Knife Set, a practical upgrade for everyday meal prep. It gives you a variety of knives for chopping, slicing, and dicing different ingredients. The comfortable design makes food prep easier, while the full set gives you the right knife for different kitchen tasks. A great pick for anyone looking to upgrade their everyday kitchen essentials. Number 2 is the Leif Solutions Wood Cutting Boards, a practical addition to any kitchen. These sturdy wooden boards give you plenty of room for chopping, slicing, and dicing, while the natural wood design adds a warm, classic touch to your countertop. They're great for everyday meal prep, from cutting fresh produce to preparing meat and other ingredients. A simple kitchen essential you'll reach for again and again. Number 3 is the Songkon 1000-watt smoothie blender, a powerful option for making smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more. Its 1000-watt motor helps blend ingredients quickly and smoothly, making it great for busy mornings or everyday meal prep. If you want a versatile blender that can handle a variety of ingredients, this is a handy addition to your kitchen. Number 4 is the Waken 4-liter electric composter, a convenient way to deal with food scraps right in your kitchen. Its 4-liter capacity gives you plenty of space for everyday waste, while the electric system helps process it with less effort. It's a useful option for keeping your kitchen cleaner, reducing food waste, and making everyday cleanup more convenient. Number 5 is the Scrub Daddy BBQ Daddy Grill Brush, a handy tool for keeping your grill clean after cooking. Its large design helps tackle stuck-on food and grease across the grill surface, making cleanup faster and easier. It's a great addition for anyone who loves grilling and wants to spend less time scrubbing after a cookout. Check link in the description below. Number 6 is the Sensart Nonstick Frying Pan, a versatile everyday pan designed to make cooking easier. Its nonstick surface helps food release smoothly and makes cleanup less of a hassle. It's great for eggs, pancakes, vegetables, meats, and quick one-pan meals. Whether you're cooking breakfast or making dinner, this pan is a practical kitchen essential for everyday use. Number 7 is the Chefman Electric Kettle, a quick and convenient way to heat water in minutes. It's great for making tea, coffee, hot chocolate, instant oatmeal, and more. Its compact design fits easily on your countertop without taking up much space. Whether you're starting your morning or need hot water for a quick meal, this is a handy kitchen essential. Number 8 is the Inkbird Wireless Meat Thermometer, a handy tool for getting more precise results when cooking meat. Its wireless design lets you monitor the temperature without constantly checking the grill or oven. It's great for steaks, chicken, roasts, and BBQ, helping you cook your food more confidently. A useful upgrade for anyone who enjoys grilling or cooking meat at home. Number 9 is the Ruvati Steel Undermount Kitchen Sink, a sleek and practical upgrade for your kitchen. Its stainless steel design gives your kitchen a clean, modern look, while the spacious basin provides plenty of room for washing dishes, cookware, and larger items. The undermount style also creates a seamless countertop finish and makes wiping crumbs and water into the sink much easier. It's a great choice if you're looking to give your kitchen a more polished and functional setup. Number 10 is the Quaker Ceramic Cookware Set, a versatile option for everyday cooking. The ceramic-coated cookware is designed to make cooking and cleanup easier, while the variety of pieces gives you options for preparing different meals. It's great for everything from sautéing and frying to simmering and cooking family-size meals. A practical set for anyone looking to refresh their kitchen cookware. Number 11 is the Avsile Kitchen Faucet, a simple upgrade that can give your kitchen sink a cleaner, more modern look. Its practical design makes everyday tasks like washing dishes, rinsing produce, and filling pots more convenient. It's a useful choice if you want to refresh your kitchen without spending a fortune on a major renovation. Number 12 is the Lined Cowed Stone Dish Drying Mat, a simple kitchen upgrade that gives you a clean and convenient place to dry dishes beside your sink. Its stone-style design helps absorb water quickly while keeping your countertop neat. It's a practical choice for anyone who wants a more organized and mess-free kitchen. Number 13 is the Songtaste 2-Pack Kitchen Dish Brush, a simple and practical tool for everyday dishwashing. Its bamboo design gives it a natural look, while the sturdy bristles help clean dishes, pots, and pans. It's easy to handle and convenient to keep by the sink, making everyday cleanup faster and easier. It's an affordable kitchen essential that can make your daily dishwashing routine more convenient. Number 14 is the Maestri Lunafro Milk Frother, a handy kitchen tool for making smooth, creamy foam at home. It's perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, coffee, hot chocolate, and more. Its compact design makes it easy to use and store, giving you a simple way to enjoy cafe-style drinks right at home. Number 15 is the Blanco Whistling Tea Kettle, a stylish and practical way to heat water for tea, coffee, and other hot drinks. Its classic design adds a nice touch to your kitchen, while the whistle lets you know when the water is ready. It's a simple kitchen essential that makes your daily routine easier and more convenient, especially when you want a quick cup of tea or coffee. Number 16 is the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker, a convenient kitchen appliance designed to make breakfast faster and easier. Its compact design takes up very little counter space, while the simple controls make preparing eggs quick and convenient. You can use it to make hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or poached eggs, making it perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, or quick snacks. It's a handy kitchen upgrade for anyone who wants easy, consistent results without standing over the stove. Number 17 is the Full-Star Vegetable Spiralizer, a handy kitchen tool that makes it easy to turn vegetables into fun, spiral-shaped noodles. It's great for zucchini noodles, salads, garnishes, and healthy meal prep. Its compact design is easy to store, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to add more vegetables to their everyday meals. A simple kitchen gadget that makes healthy cooking more fun and creative. Number 18 is the Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox, a convenient way to warm up meals on the go. It's great for work, road trips, travel, or anywhere you have access to a power outlet. Its portable design makes it easy to carry, while the spacious container is perfect for leftovers, pasta, rice, soups, and other homemade meals. A practical option for enjoying a warm meal away from home without needing a microwave. Number 19. Pukamek Deep Fryer. If you love crispy, restaurant-style food at home, this deep fryer is definitely worth checking out. It's a simple way to fry your favorite foods with less hassle. If you're enjoying these Amazon kitchen finds, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful products and smart finds. And now, let's move on to the next one.